In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil on this Nissan Rogue with a 2.5 liter engine. Let's get into it. Using a 14mm socket, I'm going to loosen up the drain plug. This is more on the passenger side than on the driver's side. Crack that free. Make sure you have a drain bucket underneath. Take that off. There is a seal in the drain plug. You can just get underneath there with a straight blade screwdriver. Pull that seal off. And put a new seal on. And once the oil's drained out, just let it drain a little bit more, then we can reinstall the drain plug. Take the drain plug, line that up, get that started. Now we'll torque this to 25 foot-pounds. Just take a rag, wipe away any excess. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 21mm socket. And remove the wheel. We're going to take these push pins out. We're going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath. Pop that out and just grab the panel and it slides right off. Now with the drain bucket underneath, we're going to use a oil filter wrench. I'll loosen up the oil filter. Once it's loose, you can do it by hand. And the oil's just going to drain into the bucket. Let that drain for a second. Pull that off. Double check, make sure the seal is still on the filter. You don't want the seal stuck to the housing. You take a clean rag, just wipe the housing. That's good. With the new filter, take some fresh engine oil and just lubricate the seal. That's good. Get that started. And once it bottoms out, I'm going to give it another half turn. That's good. I'm going to take the new cover, get it lined up, and get the push pin started. Might have to rotate them a little bit, get them to line up. Push it in. Do the same with the other ones. And the last one. Now take the wheel and slide it in place. Get the lug nuts. Get those started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Go around again, double check. You can remove the oil fill cap, just twist it to the left, take that off. We're going to use a funnel, and this vehicle requires 4.9 quarts, so almost 5 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic, or you can use 5W30. It is preferred that you use the 0W20. And just fill the engine oil up. Put that drain in there. And this is the last one. That's about 1/10 of a quart left in the bottle, so that would be 4.9 quarts. You can take the funnel out and put the cap back on. And you can start the vehicle, let it run for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then shut it off. After waiting a couple minutes, letting the oil drain back down after you shut the vehicle off, you want to check the level. You want to make sure the vehicle's on a level surface. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it off with a rag, reinsert the dipstick, pull it out again. You want to make sure it's in between the two dots, preferably closer to the top. And reinsert the dipstick and adjust the level accordingly. To reset the oil life monitor, we're going to turn the key in the on position, so you don't want to step on the brake and just push the start stop button with having the key in the vehicle. Then on the center gauge, you're going to look while you push the return button on the steering wheel. You're going to scroll through until you find a list. Right here, and then where the enter button is, we're going to scroll down to the maintenance, click the enter, oil and filter, enter. When we're on this screen, we're going to hit the enter button. When we're on the mileage, we can scroll up to the mileage that you want to set it at. We're going to go 5,000. And then go down below to the reset and hit enter. Reset, yes, enter. And there you go. You can back out of there just with the back key, and you're good to go. Shut the key off.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.